Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Chad? Let's explore. Construction work is modestly available in Chad, mostly in urban centers. The average annual gross salary for a construction worker is around $2,400, which comes down to about $200 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is roughly $2,100 or around $170 per month. Salaries are slightly higher in N'Djamena compared to smaller towns. Entry-level workers usually earn $150 monthly, while experienced or trained workers can earn around $300. Vocational programs or technical training can slightly increase wages. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.